Hello, everyone. What's up? It is your girl Linda Sims, the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana, and I am back to teach you another line dance. The name of it is What's Up. It is a two-wall dance. I'm gonna give you the step-by-step instructions. But before I do, if you're located in the New Orleans area and you're interested in cardio line dancing classes, please call 504-251-0674. As a friendly reminder, this is the step-by-step instructions. You want to dance along to the music to make sure you got the steps right? Watch till the end. Please like, leave me a comment, and subscribe if you haven't done so. Also, watch till the end. Instructors, I have a little tip for you, okay? All right, here we go. So it's a two-wall dance, and we're gonna stand over here, students. So stand on this side of the room, looking in this direction. So you can always see my feet. I can see your feet. We standing side by side, okay? So a two-wall dance. So we're gonna start with a sailor step. So it's right, left, step, rock, left, right, back, left, right, step, rock, right, left. So what we do on the right, we do on the left. So we're doing a sailor step and two rocks. So right, left, step, rock, left, right, right, step, rock, right, left. So remember when you're doing a sailor step, the leg comes to the back. 1 and 2, rock, 3, 4, left, 5 and 6, 7, 8. Okay, from here, we're gonna do two kicks, right, left, step. So when I step, I kick right, left, and step. With my right foot in the front, and I'm gonna do a heel fan. I'm gonna fan out to the right, and fan, and fan. With my heel, then I'm gonna roll back right, I'm gonna roll back left. Okay, that's part one, and I'm gonna repeat that twice. Okay, so I kick right, left, step, heel fan, back right, back left, tap out. So we tapping out on the right so we can come back with that right, okay? So there's a little transition when you come back and roll back. 5, 6, 7, tap out on 8. So let me show you what I did. 5, 6, 7, tap back. Tap out because you're going to come back with that right, okay? So you're going to use that transition step. So don't forget about that. So how does that look? So we kick, step, heel, fan, back right, back left, tap out. So from the top, we come back on the right. 1 and 2, rock, 3, 4, back, 5, step, 6, rock, 7, 8, kick, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, back, 5, 6, 7, out, 8. All right? So let's do that from this wall. I want you to see the footwork. We're going to do that twice. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, sailor step. 1 and 2, rock, 3, 4, back, 5 and 6, rock, 7, 8, kick. 1, 2 and 3 and 4, back, 5, 6, 7, tap out, 8. Now we're going to do it again. Sailor. 1 and 2, rock, left, right, rock, right, left, kick, right, left, step, and fan, heel fan, out to your right, back, left, tap right. Okay, that was part one. So we're going to tap right, we're not going to tap out. We're going to tap to go into a cha-cha. 1 and 2, up, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. Then we're going to do it again. We're going to rock up, recover, turn back, half turn, right, left, no, I'm sorry. So we're going to cha-cha up, 1 and 2, up, 3, 4, back, 5, and 6, 7, 8. Roll to the left, to the right 2 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then we're going to rock up and turn back. Rock up, recover, half turn back. Right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. Roll right to the right 2 times, then roll left to the left 2 times. And tap out, that's the end of the dance. We start the dance over. So part 2, cha-cha up. 1 and 2, 3, 4, left back. 5 and 6, 7, 8. Roll 2 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, left, 5, 6, 7, tap 8. Rock up, recover, half turn back. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, left up. 5, 6, 7, and 8. Roll to the right 2 times. 1, 2, 3, 4 to the left. 5, 6, 7, tap 8. You at your second wall. It's a 2-wall dance. And it starts over with that sailor step. And I tapped out on my right foot for that right leg to come back. Okay? Now let's go back here and put part 1 and part 2 together. All right? Here we go. So we come back with your right. 5, 6, 7 from the top. 1 and 2, rock. 3, 4, left. 5 and 6, rock. 7, 8, kick. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, back. 5, 6, 7, out, 8. Tap out. Don't forget about that. Do that again. 5, 6, 7. Sailor step. 1 and 2, rock. 3, 4, back. 5 and 6, rock. 7, 8, kick. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, tap 8. That's part 1. Let's go into part 2, which is going to bring us to the second wall. Cha-cha up. 1 and 2, 3, 4, back. 5 and 6, 7, 8. Roll to the right 2 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again, we're going to rock up, recover, right shoulder back, half turn. Right, left, right, up. Left, right, left. Roll to the right 2 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Tap out 8. Transition. We add our new wall and we do it again. So I did that transition with tapping out. So let's do it at this wall. 5, 6, 7, right back. 1 and 2, rock. 3, 4, sailor. 5 and 6, 7, 8, kick. 1 and 2, heel fan. 3 and 4, back. 5, 6, 7, out. 8, sailor. 1 and 2, rock. 3, 4, sailor. 5 and 6, rock. 7, 8, kick. 1, 2, and 3, heel fan. Roll. 5, 6, 7, 8. Cha-cha up. 1 and 2, up. 3, 4, back. 5 and 6, 7, 8. Roll. 1, 2, 3, 4, left. 5, 6, 7, 8. Rock up, recover, turn back, half turn. 3 and 4, left. 5, 6, 7, and 8. Roll. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Tap out 8. Don't forget your transition step, okay? So that is what's up is a 2-wall dance, okay? I say 2 parts, all right? Now, here's my tip. So, I don't know what made me do this, instructors, but last night in my beginner's class, every dance that I taught, before I played the next song, I told my class, I said, the dance we just finished, is it a 1-wall dance, a 2-wall? I asked them, how many walls is it? And they said 1 wall, 2 wall, 4 wall, whatever it was. And then I said, how many parts? Okay? So they said 1 part, if it was a 32 count, or they might have said 2 parts or 3 parts. So, so a student said, that's really good because you're really making us think. So I gave them, I asked after every dance that we did, I made them tell me if it was a 1-wall, a 2-wall, or 4-wall. And even if they got it incorrectly, I took the opportunity to explain to them why it wasn't a 1-wall dance. When we started the dance over, so if they said it was a 1-wall dance and it actually was a 2-wall dance, I explained to them, I said, each time you start the dance over from the top, what wall are you at? If you're at your same wall, it's a 1-wall. If you're at a different wall, it's a 2-wall, 4-wall. I said, it doesn't matter Within the dance, if you turn to a different wall, is when you start the dance all over again. So that is a teaching tool to make your students aware of a one wall dance, a two wall dance, or four wall dance. It's something they never really thought about. You've always said it, but they're not putting the two together. So I took that opportunity every song to say, to just ask them, what is it, a one wall, two wall, four wall, or whatever, and to really use it at that dance at that particular time, an example to get them to understand. Then I said, what, how many parts? How many parts? So I broke that down to them. So I think that was a great tool that just came out of the blue. And because I always use it when I'm teaching. So once I teach the dance, I don't say it anymore. But after each dance, I made them aware, made them answer the question, was it a one wall, two wall, four wall? How many parts in a dance? And I think it was a great tool to make them realize, okay, now I really understand what I'm doing. So that's just a tool that I'm using. I think it was very helpful to my students. So I wanted to make you aware of that. And one of my students like, I didn't know we were gonna have a quiz or whatever. But once they start to understand, they were like, okay. And they like, well, what? One song I forgot to ask them how many walls. They like, well, you're not gonna ask us how many, but it made them aware and they understood what a one wall, two wall, and four wall, and how many parts of a dance. So that's just something that I use. You might want to use that. It makes the class a little interesting, and they're learning. So thank you for watching. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana, and I'll see you in the next video.